You might think choosing between a specialized direct-to-consumer brand and a licensed retail staple is just about checking a data sheet, but picking the wrong nameplate right now can instantly trap you with hundreds in extra installation costs or leave you high and dry on parts. One of these units hides an aggressive administrative loophole that changes the game on who is allowed to buy it and how much you have to fork over to keep your coverage active. Hey everyone, I'm your HVAC repair guy, with over 17 years of boots-on-the-ground field experience ranging from service technician and installer to running my own operations as an HVAC contractor, plus my background as a former Navy nuclear electrical operator. I look at these systems through a lens of real-world reliability, not theoretical marketing sheets. Today we are doing a head-to-head teardown of the Direct Comfort GSX-C7 and the Frigidaire FSA-4BF to see which premium air conditioner deserves your hard-earned money. Let's dive right into the performance metrics. The Frigidaire operates at a 15.2 SEER efficiency rating, but Direct Comfort steps up the game significantly with the GSX-C7, which delivers a high-efficiency performance rating of up to 17.2 SEER. Both systems utilize a 2-speed condenser fan and a 2-speed compressor, meaning they can throttle down to save energy on milder days rather than hammering on and off at full blast. They also both feature full louvered coil guards to protect the fins from hail or weed eaters. And they both come factory equipped with compressor sound blankets to keep things quiet. The Direct Comfort runs just a hair quieter at 70 decibels compared to the Frigidaire at 71 decibels. But out in the yard, your ears won't notice that 1 decibel difference. Where the real divergence begins is the manufacturer lineage and your logistical reality. The Direct Comfort GSX-C7 is manufactured in the United States by Daikin Comfort Technologies, which is the corporate parent for Goodman and Amana. This relationship means Direct Comfort models share a legacy chassis design, built-in diagnostic systems, and a massive regional parts distribution footprint, making replacement components incredibly easy to source when things go sideways in July. Frigidaire, on the other hand, is built under license by Nortek Global HVAC in Mexico. Nortek Global HVAC was recently acquired by Rheem Manufacturing and operates as part of their global air division. The warranty structures also reveal a massive operational gap. Frigidaire offers a solid 10-year warranty on parts, 10-year compressor warranty, and 10-year unit replacement coverage. Direct Comfort steps up with a 12-year warranty on parts, a 12-year compressor warranty, and a 12-year unit replacement guarantee. But here is the absolute kicker for homeowners: the dealer requirements. The Frigidaire system strictly requires an authorized local dealer for purchase and installation to validate its warranty. Direct Comfort does not require an authorized dealer network for purchase, meaning it can be sourced directly by property managers or homeowners. Looking at the financial picture, online pricing for the wholesale equipment-only cost on the Direct Comfort GSX-C7 typically sits between $2,200 and $3,100 depending on the tonnage you need. On the other hand, the contractor-installed pricing estimates for a complete Frigidaire FSA-4BF system installation generally hover between $6,000 and $8,500 depending on your regional labor rates and duct modifications. Because Direct Comfort avoids mandatory dealer markups, the upfront equipment acquisition costs sit significantly lower. This brings us to the practical homeowner implications. If you buy the Frigidaire, you are completely locked into the traditional contractor sales channel. If you choose the Direct Comfort, you have the ultimate flexibility to procure the equipment yourself and hire a certified technician strictly for the specialized installation and EPA refrigerant handling, cutting out the typical dealer retail markup entirely. So what is the final verdict? The clear winner is the Direct Comfort GSX-C7. While both units deliver 2-stage performance, protection features, and noise levels, the Direct Comfort wins hands down by delivering a superior 17.2 SEER efficiency rating, an extra 2 years on its parts warranty, adding a full 12-year unit replacement guarantee, and eliminating mandatory dealer restriction. It gives you premium engineering with absolute buying freedom, making it the smarter, more cost-effective investment for your home.